big lesson, if you wanted to summarize Indistractable with one saying, with one mantra, it's this, that the antidote to impulsiveness is forethought. That our species, maybe our most amazing trait is our ability to see into the future. That no other animal on the face of the earth can predict what is going to happen with the kind of fidelity that we can. No other animal. And so we need to use that trait, that asset, that if you wait till the last minute, you will lose, right? If the chocolate cake is on your fork on the way to your mouth, you're going to eat it. If the cigarette is lit in your hand, you're going to smoke it. If you sleep next to your cell phone every night, it's going to be the first thing you wake up and check in the morning before you even say hello to your loved one. Because at that point, you have already lost. But we can plan ahead, right? We can take steps today to ensure we don't get distracted tomorrow. So the antidote to impulsiveness is forethought. And that I really believe that we can do this. We are much, much more powerful than any of the tech companies' algorithms. You know, it reminds me of this scene. I don't know if you've seen, have you seen the movie Indiana Jones? You remember there's this scene in Indiana Jones where Indiana Jones comes out into the bazaar and there's this guy like in this full black outfit and he has these swords in each hand and he does all these like fancy knife tricks and you know, he does this whole routine. And what does Indiana Jones do? He takes out his gun, bang, shoots him. And that's a great metaphor here. You know, the tech companies, they have the algorithms and they have the computers and they have blah, 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 and we can turn it off. It's not that hard, right? Bang. We can do this if we plan ahead, if we take steps today to make sure we don't get distracted tomorrow.